Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have for you a short review of a new rugged smartphone, Blackview BV6300. Well, it comes with a great, amazing 16 megapixel quad rear camera and Sony ultra-wide and macro camera. By the way, the Sony camera has a face unlock function. That's cool, eh? 5.7-inch display is, well, okay. HDR functions for camera and super night mode. This is when you make pictures at night. Of course, NFC, and this is very slim, only 11.6 millimeters. Waterproof and drop proof, of course. And the charging, not charging, fingerprint. It's a very cool modification for this phone. 6 GB RAM and 128 ROM. By the way, the battery is very powerful and fast charging with wired or wireless charging. Of course, Android 10, new Android system. Links, by the way, description below.